I've been shooting and editing music videos for a long time now, and I can honestly say, when you find assets to instantly increase the look of your footage in post, it feels good. That right there is a look at the new Music Video 2 plugin for Motion VFX collaborated with YC Imaging. Bro, what better person to get to collaborate on an assets pack for music videos, right? Duh. But let me show you why this will instantly bring value to you in all your edits.
Titles.
Over the past 5 to 10 years, I always get asked how I make my titles and make them transition in cool ways. I used to make my title cards in Photoshop, import them into the editing program, and spend about 30 minutes trying to make them transition in with a cool effect. That is not the play anymore. No way. Music Video 2 has templates to customize your text, change the color, change the position of the text, basically do anything you want them to, and they transition in with really cool effects already. This will save you so much time alone, having the text laid out already and having them transition in. It's just dope.
Camera movements.
Instead of having to keyframe all your shots and add motion blur and try to apply different effects for movements, this plugin already has some of today's more popular looks right within the pack. You got slow zoom in and outs, a dynamic camera movement that adds blur instantly and adds movement, the fake robot arm look that would cost a lot to do on set, and you've seen it in videos like Kendrick Lamar, this fast rotation look, and even a slight handheld look that you can add to a static shot and make it look more natural. These camera movements add so much value to a shot instantly. Just one click of a button.
Film mats.
It's 2023 and we all know that vintage film VHS style footage is the wave. This plugin has film frames with sprocket holes and grain already built in for a quick drag and drop look. You can sort through all the different frame looks that they have in the pack to get the look that you want. You can change the grain, you can take the sprocket hole off, you can add the sprocket hole on. However you want to customize it, you can. I don't have to design these anymore, find grain that matches, whether it's an overlay or try to tweak it in a video editing program, or even buy a real film camera to create these looks. They look so good and it's just a click away and your client would never know the difference whether it was real or that simple.
Photo transitions.
This right here is actually the wave. It's so dope. I love adding photo snap transitions into my projects for a quick little sizzle just to spice my edit up. But before, I would drop photos into the timeline, have to position them right, figure out ways to make them move and transition, and this just takes so much time. These photo slideshows in the Music Video 2 plugin do all the work for you. You just drop the photos into your project, add them into the drag and drop transition, and boom, you're quickly on your way to pushing export. Not only faster, but it just looks fire. I mean, come on, look at this.
Video transitions.
Video transitions take forever to create, and sometimes you don't know what type of transition you want to even make or add to a project. But this plugin has all the looks I love in it thanks to my boy YC on the collab. It has camera shakes, where the camera shakes in transitions. It has flashes, one of my favorite transitions to use on music video. It has film burn flashy style transitions. It's got this frame drop transition, which is really cool. It has speed ramp types of transitions. And last but not least, this fire transition is one I doubt I would have been able to even make on my own. It is the one, I'm telling you.
You know what's crazy? They have this cool effect right here too for the fisheye, and this is pretty cool. Like, you don't even have to shoot with a fisheye. I'm shooting with a 16mm, but now this looks like I'm looking through a peephole through a door. That type of effect is popular in music videos, and now you could just shoot it with whatever and just add this onto it, and then it just looks cool.
I'm just running through a couple of the other effects that are in the pack. They're not necessarily transitions or something like that. They just have different looks that you can add over top of any footage that you want.
This is my favorite one right here. This infrared type of looking footage. This is my favorite. I actually used this on something recently and I was like, man, I'm gonna be using this on a lot of projects. It looks cool. I like it a lot.
So this is the new Music Video 2 plugin for Motion VFX. I love it. I think that it's dope. It helps speed up my edit time. It helps make my videos look dope without having to even try. It's effortless. You just drag and drop anything and it makes any type of project look better. Previously, the first Music Video plugin, I used it on all types of projects projects, and now I'm using this one on any type of project as well, whether it's a vlog, whether it's a client project, an ad, anything. It works for anything, not just music videos. It's so
time saving. It's dope, man, I'm telling you.
I'm more so trying to knock out these video edits as fast as possible, get it back to the client so I can get more bookings with them and make more Skrilla, make more dollars, make more money, you know, all that. Get the finances up. I highly recommend checking this plugin out with the link below if you use Final Cut or DaVinci Resolve. Yes, they have it available for DaVinci Resolve. I know a lot of people have been using it there, but I highly recommend it because it just brings so much value and benefit to all of us as music video creators. Not only that, my guy YC was the lead collaborator on this pack with Motion VFX, so I know that it's solidified and it's gonna have the looks and styles that I'm going for in it. Hopefully you got something out of this video and it can help speed up your editing time or just make your videos look better, especially if you're still trying to learn skill set with your editing. Hopefully this video just sheds some light onto something that can be really beneficial to you. I definitely believe so. So with that being said, I'm gonna see you on the next video. Let me know if you want to see anything else like this, man, or maybe a full project edit. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know. Motion VFX, thank you for sponsoring this video. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.